a large violin. It has 4 strings. Ilang string niya? 4. Bass and oboe played with a plucking and strings to give to give them ascended tones and music. Next, we have this one. What is this? Guitar. This is the most familiar instrument. Very ginagamit. Okay, ito na. Next here. Question. Wala. Question si mo. It is similar to guitar but with a shorter neck. Similar to guitar, yung gitara sa malabat with a shorter neck. It's octave B na. Dapat number 1 mo is muni. Similar mo? Similar to guitar with a shorter neck. So, octave B na. Kuha. Nakuha hindi. Next. It plays. Nagkakampangan. It plays the accompaniment